Hello everybody, back again. It's me, Sheila, as you'll see. Probably pointed the wrong corner there, but we'll make it work. Today I'm going to show you a brand new Burstner Delfin 680, and this is in the Mocha body paint as well. Come on, let's take a look. Now, bear with me, I had a wee fall last week and my ankle's still recovering, so I'll try and go as fast as I can. You'll see here is the Mocha brown on this vehicle. This is an automatic, the one that we have here in stock. You'll see you have your factory fitted 16-inch alloy wheels, your full length awning, an awning light up the top. This range comes with an XL premium door, habitation door as well. And in here is your garage. Now in your garage you'll see your seating arrangements for your passengers, your removable carpets, as well as your ladder. There is a little light out here, so if you are trying to get something at night time, you do have that little added feature, as well as an additional 12-volt plug out here. But we'll show you how you can access that from the inside. Round to the back, you have your reverse camera as well. So let's hobble inside. So I'm going to give you all the facts and figures here now because a lot of you are interested. It is a 3.5 ton vehicle. It is a 2.3 engine on a 9-speed gearbox with 140 brake horsepower. I'm going to cheat now. So length is 6.93, width is 2.32, and this is a 4-berth and 4-belt motorhome. Now, that's the numbers out of the way. Come on up to the front here. So as I mentioned, it is a 9-speed gearbox, an automatic gearbox. You'll see your multimedia system there in the front, and that includes your reverse camera. You have your cab aircon. Of course, you have your USB ports, your 12-volt ports. Across the steering wheel, that is a leather steering wheel, and you have your cruise control and your speed limiter there as well. This is your main living area now, and you will see the lovely upholstery finish there, and that is called Kaluna Delf. Now, I might be saying it completely wrong. I will write it here, Kaluna Delf, maybe. But it's real lovely tones of brown along with that cream leather. Really sets the whole thing off. Of course, your table extends out. Oh, wouldn't extend for me though. And then folds back again. And this is making up your first and second berth as well. If you want to see how that is, please drop me a message and I'll have no problem showing you that. Up above me here is your electric drop down double bed, and to access that is just here under your sink. It's just a matter of turning that key and then here we go. Now, of course, you can stop that wherever you feel you'd like to lie. And there is points here for a ladder. But there is your big double bed up above. And then when you're finished, ready to hit the road again, it's just a matter of going back up again. Now, I'm probably being biased, but I think so far this might be my favourite one. And honestly, it's the little quirks, the little details. You'll see up here, you've got USB ports just up above. So if you wanted to plug in an iPhone charger or whatever, you have your holders here for your magazines, your newspapers, your shoes if you want to be weird with it. Not my call. Over here you have your TV bracket as well. That comes factory fitted, as well as your control panel. Of course, this comes with Truma heating. More USB ports, all your switches there, tons of little pockets of storage locations, so you can really create this your own way. In here is now your kitchen. Here you have your 3-gas hob, your combined oven and grill down below here. Again, tons of little storage pockets here, little counter spaces, additional counter space here. And lots of space there for your crockery, your cutlery, everything really. In here you have your slimline fridge with a freezer box up above as well. And now into your rear bathroom. So this door does slide across, as you see. This is a pretty big bathroom as well, with a separate shower, of course. Come on in, we'll have a look. So there's plenty of mirrors, plenty of lights. You'll probably see our camerawoman Hannah just there. Tons of little storage units there. Again, there's your sink, your toilet. Round here you have your shower that separates here as well. And I mentioned outside that you can actually access your garage from inside the motorhome, and that's here. It's just a matter of sliding this across. And there you go, you can access everything that's stored away for you. Now, my favourite feature about this whole motorhome is the him and hers element. Well, you can take it all up for yourself instead. But look at that huge amount of storage. On one side you can have your blazers hanging. On the other you can tier your tops and your bottoms. You can put whatever you want in there. I just think that is the biggest storage space I've ever seen. And you've seen a lot of my videos. I know you have. And that's the biggest I've seen in a while. So there we have it, and I miss a ton of things. You know, there's an amplified alternator, there's Ramus blinds in the front cab. It even comes with an eco pack because that's what we do for our automatics. If you'd like to see the full spec of this vehicle, please visit our website. I'll link it just above me. Alternatively, you can get in touch with me directly and we'll provide more information for you. You can contact me directly here in the comments. You can message us on Facebook as well. You can even email me, marketing@thompsonleisure.com. Alternatively, you can give me a call on 028 9269 3999. And that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video.